Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI BlueMotion Tech R-Line DSG 4Motion. A premium SUV packed with advanced technology, sporty design, and the panoramic roof, adding an open and airy feel to every journey. From the side, it stands on 20-inch alloy wheels, complemented by gloss black roof rails. The panoramic roof stretches across the cabin, filling the interior with natural light and enhancing the premium driving experience. At the rear, LED taillights, dual exhaust tips, and an integrated spoiler complete its sporty design, while the power-operated tailgate ensures effortless access to the spacious boot. Powered by a 2.0 TDI engine paired with a DSG automatic gearbox, the Tiguan delivers a balance of power and efficiency. At the front, the Tiguan boasts bold R-line styling, a signature chrome grille, sharp LED daytime running lights, and a sculpted bumper, giving it a commanding road presence. Stepping inside, the panoramic roof instantly elevates the cabin, creating a bright and spacious atmosphere. The heated front seats offer maximum comfort, while the digital cockpit provides a modern and customizable driving experience. The leather-wrapped, multi-function steering wheel features paddle shifters for added control. The center console is home to a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, Bluetooth, and DIB radio, all paired with a premium sound system. The rear passengers benefit from generous legroom, adjustable seating, and their own air vents, ensuring a comfortable ride under the panoramic roof. Offering a large boot space, the Tiguan is perfect for everyday use. The power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading effortless. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration YF17YVG to book a test drive or request a video tour.